Hi there, it's Dee from ArtsyDee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get perfect shapes every time by using QuickShape in Procreate. So I think when we've all started out with Procreate and we've tried to draw shapes, it's very difficult to get them perfectly symmetrical or built with straight lines. And so this is a really handy tool to use to add to your skill set for digital art. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a circle. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw your rough circle like so. It's a pretty bad circle. And if you hold your Apple Pencil down on the screen, you'll see that it's snapped into this ellipse circular shape. I can move it around, arrange it very slightly without lifting my Apple Pencil. And that is called a quick shape. But if you tap the screen, it quickly snaps it into a perfectly symmetrical circle. And if I let go, there's a little bar that comes up here, and I'm going to tap that. And I can choose now ellipse or circle, and you can see that on this circle, it's given me nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can actually adjust the circle and by moving those nodes. So that is our circle. Let's go for another shape, a rectangle. So I'm going to draw let's make it a square. Let me draw my terrible square. Actually, I'm going to do it the other way so that you can see what I'm doing with my hand. There's a really awkward rectangle square. At the moment it's a rectangle. If I tap the screen, it makes it a perfectly symmetrical square, which is really handy. And I can also rotate it like so, keeping my Apple Pencil on the screen. I'm going to let that go, and here it says square. Now for this option, it gives us 4 options. It's put in a few more nodes here, but we can have rectangle, quadrilateral, polyline, and ellipse, all different options that you can play around with to get the right shape that you need. Okay, now let us go for an arc. So a normal arc, a little bit wobbly there, and if we do it again and keep our pen on the page, Apple Pencil on the page, there we get a beautiful arc. And this is a half ellipse, but you can also make it a circle and then adjust it accordingly. And there you have it, how to use QuickShape in Procreate to get perfect shapes every time. If you enjoyed this and found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe because I release new Procreate tips and hacks and tricks every week, and I'd love to have you along for the ride. Make sure to grab my free Procreate Sketch Starter Kit in the description below. Thanks for watching.